What is Cold War? Cold War was a period of a geopolitical tension between the Soviet Union and United States. Cold War was often dated from 1947 to 1991. It was a sustained state of political and a military tension between the powers in the Western Bloc, dominated by the US, with NATO among its allies, and the Eastern Bloc, powers in the Eastern Bloc, dominated by the Soviet Union along with the Warsaw Pact. It is a sustained state of a political and a military tension between the powers. There are two powers, Western Bloc and Eastern Bloc. Western Bloc, it was dominated by the US with the NATO among its allies, where the Eastern Bloc was dominated by the Soviet Union along with the Warsaw Pact. Cold War is the name given to the relationship that was developed primarily between the US and USSR after the World War II. The Cold War was to dominate international affairs for decades, and many major crises occurred. The Cuban Missile Crisis, then Vietnam, Hungary, and the Berlin Wall being just some. What is the Third War or the Third World War? The Third World War or the WW3 are the names given to the hypothetical third worldwide large-scale military conflict followed by the World War I and II. The term has been in use since at least as early as 1941. World government is also known as global government or cosmocracy, is the concept of a common political authority for all humanity, giving a way to a global government and with jurisdiction over the entire world. World government has jurisdiction over entire the world, so it's called as a world government, and there has never been an executive, legislature, judiciary, military or a constitution with a global jurisdiction. Arbitration. Now, arbitration is a procedure in which a dispute is submitted by agreement of the parties. Arbitration is a private process where disputing parties agree that one or several individuals can make a decision about the dispute after receiving evidence and hearing argument. It is the most effective and efficient remedy for settling the disputes among the parties, which does not require any lengthy procedure to follow and takes a very less time to resolve the matter at an affordable cost. So these are all the advantages of arbitration. As there is a no lengthy process, then it takes a very less time and it's a affordable cost. Next is conciliation. So it is an alternative dispute resolution process whereby the parties to dispute use a conciliator, means a third person, who meets the parties both separately and together in an attempt to resolve their dispute. Conciliation is an alternative out of the court dispute resolution instrument. Like mediation, conciliation is a voluntary, flexible, confidential and interest-based process. Then negotiation. Negotiation is a discussion of the parties by the parties. It is a discussion of the issues by the parties themselves directly and arriving at a solution of the dispute. Means in negotiation there is no third person. The most attractive aspect of this method is its voluntary character. It occurs in business, sale, non-profit organization, government branch, legal proceeding among the nation in the personal situations such as the marriage, divorce, parenting. In negotiation, there is no middle person or a mediator between both the parties.